Guys, today I'm going to show you what all I have purchased for my audio upgrade. Here you can see there are two frames for my car. One is a piano finish one, this one, and this is the normal one. I'll be putting the piano finish one. So I have purchased both of them in case one doesn't fit. So both are 7 inches and hopefully this is the one I will be going for, and I'll show you once the installation is done. So this is the amplifier wiring kit. You can see it is 4 AWG 4 gauge wire, and you can see the price here. The price is 10,990 rupees and I got it for around 7,500 probably. And the quality of this wiring kit is really good. You can see the thickness over here. It is 4 gauge. This is black one is the ground and red one is for the power. I have already opened it to check the fuse and other things, so you can see how it looks. So it's a very good and recommended wiring kit for any amp. So this will be my front camera. Basically it's a reverse camera and it can be used as front camera as well. It's a Blopunk BCDH01. This is a camera and you can see how the box looks like. I want to do a detailed unboxing video of this. Probably I will show it to you later, but I'll be using it as a front facing camera. So these are cable tubes to protect the amplifier wires. So you can see it's hollow inside and the wires will be going inside here and it will remain protected inside the engine compartment. So these are the RCA cables. You can see both are 100% OFC cables, oxygen free copper cables. This one is Blopunk and this one is Koche one. Both are 17 feet and I will show you the prices mentioned here. This one is 790 rupees MRP. I got it for 500 bucks, and this one is let me check, 599 MRP. This also I paid 500 bucks both, but according to the quality I think both are equally good. So let's see how it goes after the installation. These are the silicone wafers. So basically these are required for protecting the speakers from water again. So this will cover the speaker, the components, and it will increase the mid bass as well, and the sound output becomes much better after installing this. Also it protects the speaker and increases the life of the speaker. So I will show you to you when I go for installation, how the installation is done and how these covers are put in. So this is how it looks. So these are the CNE high performance speaker cables. This is 100% OFC cable and you can see the quality here. It's good and it's 100% OFC as I said, and it's 14 gauge wire which I am using for my setup. You can see here it's 14 gauge and this is 100 feet wire. So probably I'll be using more than half of it, and this is good for any component speaker wiring. 14 gauge is more than enough, or you can go for 16 gauge as well. These are the spacer rings. You can see this is how it looks, and it goes inside like this, and it will protect the speakers from rainwater or any kind of water dripping down. So it's quite recommended. So these are the wiring harness and interface cable. So this is for the antenna and this is the main one which I will be using in my, actually for the Android stereos, but I have ordered. Probably I won't be using, but just in case if it is required for the steering controls, then I will be modifying this one. Otherwise this one is pretty much plug and play. So first I will try to use and install this one. So you can see here again, this is the crimping tool these are the wire ferrules of different sizes, and this will be for the amplifier wire. So this is for basically for the 4 gauge wire, and these are bigger ones, you can see, and these are of various sizes, so probably for the speaker wires and other wires which I will be using here. And yes, this one I got from UK, and this one I got it from Amazon India. So these are the straps. Basically I'll be using it to tie the cables to make it look neat and clean. Here are 1 2 3 4 5 of them, so this will be enough.